Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna dive into this website which is for survey site. So let's get into it. Talking about Opinion Hedge. Opinion Hedge is a legit survey platform that pays users for sharing their opinions. It's simple to join, offer a steady stream of survey, and support multiple countries. The platform is great for casual users who want to earn small reward or gift card without much hassle. However, earnings are low and users often face disqualification after starting survey. Payment can also take time to process, which may frustrate some users. So in my opinion, Opinion Hedge works best for light side income, not for anyone seeking a consistent or high payout. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't hit the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.